back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I'm showing you guys a bit of a different wig unit and also a new company. So Jessie Selection was nice enough to send me over this pre-highlighted purple wig unit. So it came with the edge band, eyelashes, and also a wig cap. And here is the wig. So the specs is that this is a 24-inch body wave wig unit. It also has a 5x5 closure. Again, it does have purple highlights and it is 180% density. I do love the density of this closure, you guys, and I also love the lace. It blends really well into my skin tone and it's undetectable. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So I'm just putting my foundation as normal up under my lace. I'm using my Ghost Bond Supreme to apply my wig unit. If you guys are interested in any of the hair tools or any of the hair products, make sure you guys check out my Amazon storefront where you can find all the products that I use in all of my hair videos, you guys. In this video, I am using a new edge wax, which I absolutely love. I have been using it. It's laying my wigs very, very nicely, and I love the shine of it as well. So I do want to talk to you guys some more about the wig unit. So again, this is a purple highlighted wig. They placed it on the left and the right side of the wig cap, and it's not in the back, you guys. So just letting you guys know that. Also, they have then placed the purple highlights literally right where the closure is stitched to the cap, and you are able to thin it out if you want to. You guys are going to see a second hair option, styling option, and I'm going to show you guys me cutting and layering it in the front so that it can blend. So you guys know that I am loving the big, fluffy, messy hair look. It's just my thing. I just love it, but I'm just going to show you guys a style option number 2. The company wanted me to show you guys a different option, something a little bit more tamed. So I'm just brushing through the hair here, and then I am going to use some hairspray or hair oil to pretty much drench the hair so that I can get the more relaxed look. So I'm literally drenching the hair in oil, you guys, so that I can tame it more, and also so it can take I guess a bit more of the frizz to the hair. And I assume that this hair also has a loose wave texture to it. I'm not sure, I haven't wet it, but with using that oil, it definitely brought out the waves. So I'm just using a blow dryer to blow dry my hair because I put so much hair oil in it. I'm just trying to make sure that it's actually getting into the hair and not just sitting on it. So that's all I'm doing here. And then I'm just going to go and take my wand curler. I have this wand curler that I'm going to be using to style this hair down in my Amazon storefront as well, along with all the other products, you guys. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to curl my hair. This wand curler, if you notice, has more of a skinny bottom and then it goes wide at the top. So it is a little different type of, wand curler, but I really like it, you guys. It really brings like really voluminous curls as well, especially when you layer your hair. So you guys are going to see me layer my hair as well so that, I can get a little bit more of a volume at the top of the hair and it just doesn't look like, much of a bush. So as you guys can see, really bouncy. I love the curls. And yeah, I want you guys to comment down below and let me know which style option you prefer. I prefer style option number 1, but I know there's girls who just like voluminous hair, but they also like it to look silky, silky and sleek and things of that such. Me, I love big messy hair, you guys. I think there's nothing wrong with it, and it's way more effortless in my opinion.